In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to upload a file in ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the reason why, if you go to your plus icon here and then try to upload any file, you are told upgrade to go for more uploads or wait for some minutes to be able to do this, is because you have exhausted your free plan that gives you access to advanced options like uploading files and images. And as you can see here down below, I'm told want to keep using ChatGPT 5 try plus for free. So you need to go ahead and upgrade your plan to keep getting better and faster responses or more options. So to fix this situation, you can either wait for mostly 24 hours before you can get access to this option. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and open a new ChatGPT account or log into ChatGPT with a different email and go to the plus option, and you can see now here you can attach a photo or a file. So if you go to file here, now you'll be taken to your computer where you can now choose any of the file that you wish to upload. So that's how you can fix unable to upload a file in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.